Hey there, congratulations on completing the quiz that you just taken. It's an important step towards unlocking the tools and strategies to build your dream business, and I couldn't be more thrilled to welcome you. I know the online space can feel a little bit overwhelming. I can relate. There's so many tools, strategies, and opinions to choose from. But let me tell you, you're in the right place, and I'm here to simplify things for you. Let me introduce to you the HBA Funnel Builder. It's a tool that completely changed the game for me and so many others. Here's why I think you're going to love it. First, it's super simple to use. It's even easier if you're not tech savvy. No coding, no headaches. Just simply drag and drop. It's incredibly affordable. It's less than a price of a pizza with one topping, and you can access everything you need to build and scale your online presence, as well as an academy, a funnel builder academy to walk you through each step of the way. Also, you can create anything: landing pages, funnel pages, sites, lead capture pages, thank you pages, an online shopping store, and so much more. But what truly sets us apart isn't just the tools, it's the education, it's the community, it's the one on one hands, no man gets left behind. You'll have access to a step by step training that will guide you every step of the way, plus a network of like minded entrepreneurs who are as passionate about success as you are. This is an opportunity to take your business or your idea to the next level. So if you don't have a product yet, don't worry. We have a combination of online products that every marketer needs so that you can get started right away. So what's the next step? Click your email for more details and let's get set up with the tools to create something truly remarkable. If you have any questions or you need guidance, I'm here to help you. Congratulations on taking this step. I can't wait to see what you create. Let's make this happen together. See you soon.